because I think it's overwhelming as a newly diagnosed parent, especially coming from a non-medical field, how to start to organize yourself, and being organized is so key, where to find that number of a physician's nurse or appointment numbers.
At the beginning of every year, I call all of his doctors and say, okay, when is he due for what? And if their calendars are open, I try and make all the appointments for the year in January. And then if they say, no, our calendar isn't open, call back in 6 months, I'll make a note on the calendar. So when the time comes up, then I can call back and go, okay, let's, and so like I check in every 6 months. Some doctors he needs to see every 3 months, some it's once a year. It all depends. But I have a very large calendar, and I keep you have to stay organized. You have to stay organized.
At Gillette in the Health Resources and Education Center, there's a lot of information about diagnoses that we see here at Gillette, so there's a lot of good education materials for families and children to read up on. There are computer access places that you can sit down, talk with Lori, and get more information about how you might get more online information about what you're looking for. They have All About Me binders there that are good ways to keep a hold of all of your family information about your child's care and any numbers you might need to contact. So it's a really good resource for families. I direct them there all the time.
I like to keep a set of records that I always bring with me to the next appointment that really kind of has the last 6 months to a year of important appointment records, just in case, because they don't always make it through.
The All About Me binder is actually really helpful. It pulls all of the information that you're going to need about your child together. So you can have your last progress notes, you can have your medication, you can have a history of hospitalizations, surgeries. So when you walk in, you have that information in one spot, and you can easily then transfer it to the whatever next document you have to fill out, if it's Peffer or for Gillette or a different location. It really is helpful to have it all gathered in one spot.
The All About Me binder has a calendar in it, so you can keep a record of all the appointments, and then it has different file tabs that you can put maybe therapy information or different doctors, and so everything stays very organized. So when you go into an appointment and you want to talk to one doctor about something you happened in another appointment, all that information is very accessible at your fingertips.